Hail all, my name's Jared, but my friends call me Beth, and I am actually in the middle of recording another video for Brood Architect, and in the middle of it, this is like my fourth attempt, and I failed pretty miserably the first 3 times, and I'm going to try something different this time, but I thought I could make a video out of this also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a hotkey and tie it to one of my mouse's buttons. And when I click on it, I want my mage pet to go after X target number 2 and my beastlord pet to go after X target number 3. I'm going to switch over to my other screen here. So yeah, when those first 3 mobs come in, they'll be on X target 1, 2, and 3. Until I have Thorn click on number 1, there'll be one up here, and when I click on number one will come down here to my main assist portion, because Bethorn's the main assist. Actually, I don't think I have Bethorn set as main assist here. I might just keep it like that though. So what'll happen when I hit a mouse button on my MMO mouse, see my earlier video to see, my gear to know what that is. I want it to do like Control Alt M, but only on Dire Beast and Arsonist's accounts. And I can do that using IsBoxer. So here's how that works. First, I'm going to go to my IsBoxer thing. Where is it? There it is. Too much stuff open. All right. I'm on Dire Team number 3, and I want to make a new hotkey key map. I think I need to do it up here. New key map. And I'm going to call it Pet Assist. Or Pet Off Tank. That sounds better. Pet Off Tank. And for that, I want it to just go to my character's Arsonist and Dire Beast. Where is he? There he is. And only on this character set. All right. I need to make a new map key. Call it Pet Off Tank also. And step number 1, I want a keystroke action. And I want it to just go to Arsonist. And I want it to do Control, Alt, and M. Because that's open right now. I haven't used it for anything else. Not mouse 1, just M. And I want a second step to do the same thing for Dire Beast. I'm trying to remember how I have this set up on other tunes. Okay. So I need to do it here also, Control Alt M. And this one, it won't matter if I do it from another screen. If I'm doing it from Bethorn's screen, it'll still just on Dire Beast and Arsonist. Come on, I clicked M. There it goes. So when IsBoxer detects me doing Control Alt M while on any of the other screens, it's going to do these steps. Control Alt M on Arsonist and Dire Beast. Now, if I'm on Bethorn's character and I have something tied to Control Alt M, it will do it on her screen also. But I'm not going to tie anything to Control Alt M there. I just want it to work for Arsonist and Dire Beast. So I think that's all I have to do in IsBoxer. So I'm going to save that and export all to Interspace. I'm going to switch back. So that should be on here now. The next step I need to do is actually create the hotkeys for Arsonist and Dire Beast. OT xtar 2. Xtar 2. Make that half a second instead. And then pet attack. And now that I made that hotkey, I'm going to move it down here to any of these spots. I'm going to put it down here because these are the same spots that I use for my healers for their healing. So there's Arsonist, and I'm going to switch over to Dire Beast and do the same for him, but I'm going to call it OT Pet 3. Is that what I called it on the other one? I want to be consistent. OT xtar 2. I need to do xtar 3. Pause 5. Xtar 3. Pet attack. All right, and before I do this, before I start the event, I need to turn Pet Taunt on for both Dire Splinter and Demodred, which is my mage pet's name. I'll do that when it's actually time. Okay, so I need to move that hotkey down here also. Oh, Dire Beast has a healer. He's a shaman, so I need to put this in a different spot. I think I'll do that for the mage also for consistency's sake. Just move it up one. All right, now that's in hotkey number 7 of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hotbar number 7, hotkey number 7. So the next step is going up here to your options, clicking keys, going down to hotbar number 7. I know it's hotbar number 7 because Control Alt F is right there. And I want number 7 to be Control Alt M. Why didn't that go? It's not reading that. It really doesn't want to read that. I wonder what's going on here. Do I already have a Control-Alt-M set up? It'll let me do Alt-M. It'll let me do Control-M. It will not let me do Control-Alt-M. Makes me wonder if I already have a Control-Alt-M set up on my mouse or something. Let's see if it'll let me do N. Yeah, it'll let me do N. Okay, so I got to backtrack a little bit and change my M's to N's. Back to IsBoxer. Oh, I know what it is. It's right here. I already have this set for Control-Alt-M. I need to turn that off until I am actually ready for it. No key. Okay. I probably should have done that before I exported. See if it'll let me do this now. It still doesn't want to let me do it. Just making sure I don't have any other M's on here. Doesn't look like it. Those are all Control-Shift anyway. It just really doesn't like Control-Alt-M. Okay, I'm going to switch it to N. I'm not going to waste everyone's time by trying to figure that out right now. It's not important. Keys, hotbar number 7, Control-Alt-N. And now I got to come back over here and fix that. Put off tank. Why does it keep doing that? And I deleted those steps before, so I have to do it again. Window on just arsonist. I want it to do Control-Alt-N. And on Dire Beasts, I also wanted to do Control-Alt-N. All right, got that done. Save. Export all. Now this won't work because there's nothing in Xtar 1 and 2 right now, or 3. Yeah, so it's not going to do anything if I click it right now. But if I was to manually do Control-Alt-N, it should do something here. Actually, I'm going to test it. there it goes. Didn't think it worked for a second. There was a bit of a delay there, though. Gonna hit it again and click. That's more like 2 or 3 seconds and half a second. Point is, it worked. All right. So next and final step is to, I can map that to any key, like I put it on number pad or on page down or end or any of those, but I prefer using my MMO mouse so I can do it with a button click. So I'm going to bring up my Logitech hub. Go to my mouse. It's on view 2. And I want it to be this key right here. That's currently mapped to number 9, though I'm not using that. And when I click that, I want it to do Control Alt N, as in November. Let's see. I don't think I can. I think I need to actually set it to use, like it won't let me just set Control and Alt here, so I might have to do a I'll have to do a macro. So go to macros, create new macro, I'm going to call it pet off tank, no repeat, start now. Record keystrokes, and it is Control Alt N. Stop recording, save it. And now I have a macro that'll do Control Alt N. And I can move it back to here to be on number 9. So pet off tank, I want you right here. And that should be all I need to do. I think I already took off the working part, didn't I? Okay. I want to test it one more time. Did I do it here too? Yeah, it's still there. Okay, I'm on Bethorn's screen. I'm clicking the button. And it worked. All right, that's how it goes. The idea is when I trigger the mobs, my mage pet will go after this target. My beastlord pet will go after this target. And that way they're not all bum rushing Bethorn. And I can use my cleric to do group heals. That'll heal Bethorn, the druid, the paladin, and the pets. Hopefully that'll work. If you want to know if it will work, watch my other video that I'm recording right now. I'm now going to stop this video and go back to recording the other one. So I hope this is helpful. Another IsBoxer tutorial on how to set up hotkeys. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.